Hey there. So, as we have done many cool projects using ESP32, and now we are here with a smart torch system using ESP32 dev module. So, here I'm using LDR sensor and a white LED as a torch. So, what exactly this is whenever there is light, we did not need any torch. But when there is no light in the room or any place where we want the light, we need the torch. So this is a small prototype of uh, smart torch system. So what exactly we are doing here is we are using LDR module as a light detection module. So whenever I'm covering this LDR module, the white LED is turning on. That means like this white LED is working as a torch. So whenever I'm removing hand or whenever I'm letting the light uh, reflect on the LDR module, the white LED is off. And here connections are a bit different from what we did earlier. So now the LDR module, that is light detection module, is connected to the D4th of the ESP32, and the white LED is connected to D15th of the Arduino. So D15 is for white LED, and D4 is for LDR module, and ground and VCC are common for both. So in ESP32 we have two grounds, that is one is in this side and one is the other side. The other ground is connected to white LED, and one ground here is connected to the LDR module. So this is how we have made this project. So now as we have learned, as we have known that the uses and the applications of this project. So now let us see the circuit diagram and code. And here itself we have seen the connections. So we'll just see the code and circuit diagram. So let us see that. So as we have seen the connections and working and the circuit diagram of smart LED system with using LDR module. So now let us see the code. So this code is going to be easy and it is similar to what we did earlier. So in this, what we are doing is we are giving the inputs, that is LDR pin and LED pin at pin number 4 and pin number 5, and the LDR pin is input and LED pin is output. So LDR state will be digitally written because there is no analog connections in ESP32, as it is little bit advanced than Arduino Uno or any other Arduino which we are using. So if the LDR is high, the LED is high. Why LED is high? Because sometimes the LDR sensor will give opposite values to the microcontroller. So that is when we will just interchange the values so that it will be working perfectly. But it will not affect any of our project connections and so. So else if there is light, the white LED, that is LED pin, will be low, and the delay will be 100 microsecond, that is 0.1 seconds. So now what we are going to do is we will just select the communication port and the board, that is ESP32 development module, and communication port is 9. So there are many other modules like ESP32 C3 dev module, C5 and all. So we have to select just ESP32 development module which we are using, and the communication port is COM9. And as we can see that there is a USB written here, that means this is the port where our ESP is connected, and just click on OK, and we will upload the code. So while uploading, this will take it will automatically compile that and it will give us the output here. So let us see. As we can see that there is no error in our program, and it has started to upload the code, and it is already done. So now there are many things here. How do we know that code has been uploaded successfully to ESP32 module? So here, as we can see that it has started from 0%, and here it has end at 100%. So when we see this 100% message, that means the code is successfully uploaded in our ESP32. In some cases, the ESP32 will stop here at the connecting point, and then there will be an error in our code or program or connection. So that time what we got to do is we will just unplug the ESP32 and we will plug it back, and while uploading the code we'll just press the boot button for 8 to 10 seconds while uploading the code, and after that it will start to upload again. So that is how we will be uploading the code. So now we have learned to make the smart torch system using ESP32, and that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.